What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are playing Goat Farm Disc Golf Course in Weaver, Alabama. Goat Farm Disc Golf Course is probably the shortest course in Alabama, if not one of them for sure. Maybe even in the whole world, actually. It is an object course built in someone's yard that they actually got approved on UDisc and have just kept up. It's 5 holes, so I'm just going to take y'all with me, and we're just going to see how it goes. We're playing with just putters today, and that should be all we need. All right. Before we throw hole 1, which is just over there, we'll go through the disc we're throwing today. We've got MVP Adam as the putting putter. Got a glitch that my friend died, and then we're doing the tempo as well. So this is what we're playing with, and let's get right into it. All right. Hole 1. This is a par 3, 95-foot hole. We're just going to throw kind of a short stock hyzer forehand here off to the left. And that's under the basket. Let's see if we can go perfect on this course. I have no idea. All right. We are under the basket. So we will take a 2. All right. Hole 2. This is 60-foot par 2. Okay, so I have to just make a C2 putt. Nope. Just short of it. Let's try one more since we got the putting putter with us as well. That was, I don't know if that was better or not. First shot landed there. Second shot right there next to the basket. Just nice, easy little tap in too. Let's keep rolling. All right. We got hole 3. It's a 65-foot par 2. You can see it's a straight shot there. You also have this hyzer route that I'm going to take. I'm just going to throw the tempo. Soft little hyzer. That's under the basket. Yep. A little shorter than what I thought I was, but I mean, we're 10 feet. Take another 2. Thing about this course is I know UDisc usually will keep you from like putting a private course, like your own home or something like that, on UDisc, but I don't know how this got approved. It's literally in the neighborhood of some like just back end area. It's still Weaver, but not like in Weaver. It's weird. But yeah, we've got 2 more holes left to play, so we'll just keep on rolling, I guess. All right, this is hole 4, par 3. This is actually 160 feet. This is our first one over 100 feet. Basket is just straight right here, and I'm gonna throw 2 shots at it. This will be my real shot with the tempo, but glitch will be a secondary shot. Just short of it. All right, let's try the glitch. I'm gonna go backhand. Whoa. That's why I don't throw second shots. All right. Yeah, we're short just like we thought, about 12 feet. A couple of thorns right in front of me, but it should be a easy tap in for 2 again. Oh, and interesting. I got no idea what's up with this course. I really don't. Does that count? My the disc fell out. Whatever, I'm counting it. All right, last hole. We have two to every hole so far, so hopefully we can do that here. This one actually feels like a legit hole almost. It is says it's 100 feet, but this last one said 160, which I don't think is right. So this one looks more like 160. I think the last one was probably 100. Um, just goes down, fades off to the left a little bit. You might be able to see it. I'll point it out in the video, but it's just down there on the mound to the left. So we're gonna throw this tempo on a little backhand and see if we can get it down there. Little high, not a great kick. We'll actually have a putt, but not a very good one. So we'll see. All right, this is it. This is for, I guess it'd be 3 down because I've shot 2 on every hole, and there's 2 par 2s and the other 2 have been par 3. So I guess that math checks out. 30 footer, slightly uphill. Last hole. Let's knock it down. That went in, huh? Heck yeah, we got it. All right, that'll just about do it. Again, sorry for a little bit of a shorter video today. It's been just really rainy again, like I said last time, but I didn't want to give y'all another inside video. I don't even know what I would have done because I did the in the bag last week. And I didn't want to go without posting either. So this is a 5-hole course out here in Weaver. If y'all are in the area and just feel like kind of throwing putters and goofing off with friends, I'd highly recommend it, I guess. I don't know how this course is approved on UDisc. I really don't. Um, but yeah, I'll just leave it with that, I guess. I hope y'all enjoyed. If there's any other courses that you would recommend me doing, please leave them down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And I'm just looking around at this course, and it's just goofy. But yeah, yeah, just let me know anything that y'all would like me to do. But yeah, thanks again for watching. And I'll see y'all next time.